Have you ever bought something that you were absolutely convinced you needed, only to forget about it a week later? Maybe it was a new pair of shoes, a kitchen gadget, a fancy water bottle, a productivity app, or something you saw online at 2 o'clock in the morning. At the time, buying it felt exciting. You imagined how much happier, more organized, or more successful it would make you feel. But after a few days, the excitement disappeared. The item became just another object. So why does this happen? Why do we keep buying things that don't actually improve our lives? The answer isn't that we're bad with money, it's that our brains often confuse buying with becoming. Think about advertisements. They rarely sell products, they sell identities. A watch isn't just a watch, it's confidence. A new phone isn't just technology, it's status. A luxury car isn't just transportation, it's success. Companies understand something important. People don't buy products, they buy the feeling they believe the product will create. And for a brief moment, it works. When you click Buy Now, your brain releases dopamine. Not because you own the item, because you're anticipating it. Surprisingly, the excitement before receiving the package is often stronger than the excitement after opening it. That's why online shopping can become addictive. Your brain keeps chasing that next emotional reward. Here's another reason we overspend. We shop emotionally. Have you noticed how tempting online shopping feels after a stressful day? Or when you're bored? Or feeling lonely? Shopping becomes a distraction, a temporary escape. For a few minutes, it feels like you're solving a problem, but often you're only delaying it. The stress is still there. The loneliness is still there. Now there's simply one more package at your door. Another psychological trick is something called the ownership illusion. The moment you imagine an item as yours, your brain starts valuing it more. That's why online stores encourage you to add items to your cart or save them to a wish list. You're already beginning to picture yourself owning them. And once your brain does that, walking away becomes much harder. There's also something called lifestyle inflation. As people earn more money, they often spend more money. Not because they need to, because what once felt like a luxury slowly becomes normal. The expensive coffee, the latest phone, the bigger apartment, the premium subscriptions. Little by little, your lifestyle expands. Without noticing, your expenses expand with it. But here's the interesting part. Research consistently shows that experiences often create more lasting happiness than possessions. Think about your favorite memories. A trip with friends, a family celebration, a funny conversation, a sunset you didn't expect. Most of our happiest moments can't be bought in a store. So how can we stop impulse buying? Here's a simple rule. When you feel the urge to buy something, don't buy it immediately. Wait 24 hours. If you still genuinely want it tomorrow and it fits your budget, then consider buying it. Most impulse purchases disappear overnight because they were emotional, not practical. Another useful question is this: am I buying this because I need it or because I want to feel something? That one question can save you hundreds, sometimes thousands, every year. Remember, there's nothing wrong with buying things you enjoy. Money is meant to improve your life. The problem begins when shopping becomes your source of happiness, because happiness bought through consumption rarely lasts. Real satisfaction usually comes from growth, relationships, health, purpose, and experiences, not another cardboard box arriving at your front door. At the end of the day, the richest people aren't always the ones who buy the most. They're often the ones who need the least. If this video changed the way you think about spending, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.